In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Note 9 clone, and I'll guide you through the setup process of this device. So first of all, we'll choose the language, and as it is for me, I'm gonna keep the English, and click on the little arrow. Then you can connect to Wi-Fi, like by flipping it and choosing one once it finds it. So I'm gonna choose my Wi-Fi, and click on next. From here, I'm gonna keep it as it is, but you can set up manually if you turn it off. You can turn it off and then set up manually the time and date. But I'm just gonna keep it as it is. And then click next. Then add your name. It can be anything you like. So for instance, I'm gonna put like so. Then the other one can be left. Click on next, and set, and here you have an option to have the normal looking screen or the simple, which will look as it does on here. I'm just gonna keep on normal and click on finish, and that basically finishes the setup process. Give it just a second, and now you can see all the icons. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.